Good morning. We're going to work on our next strategy, which is the area model. A little bit different than a multiplication area model. I like to do it box by box when we do the area model. So let's start with a number like 783 divided by 4. So what we're going to do is we'll have the 4 and we'll think of a number that we can multiply 4 by to take the biggest chunk away, just like we've done for the other strategies. So, for example, I could say that 4 times 100 is 400. That would take a big chunk away. So I'm going to put 100 up here. I'm going to put my 783 minus 400, and that's going to equal 383. Okay, now I'm going to put 383 in the next box because that's what I'm working towards, taking biggest chunk away. So if I look at just the first two numbers, 38, the closest I could get to it is 32. Actually, I could do 36, right? So, and again, it doesn't matter which number you choose as long as you don't go over it and you keep taking away. So if I did 36, so 9 times 4 is 36. So if I did 90 times 4, it'd be 360. And we're going to subtract it again. And this would be 3 and 2, 23 left. So now I would work on my next one, and I would put 23 on the top. And I would say 4 times, well, 5 is 20, so that would be the closest. So I'm going to put my 5 up here. And then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to subtract. And this is 3. Now, 3 is less than 4, so 3 is my remainder. Then I add up my partial, and I say 195, remainder 3. Now, to double check this, I would, let me move my little picture over here, and let me say, so the reversal again of division is multiplication. So it would be 195 times 4 plus my 3. So 195, 4. So we have 20, 360, 400. Oops, that is, I of course didn't leave myself enough space. So that's going to be 780. But now I have to remember to add my 3. So 783. So I know that quotient, 195 remainder 3, is correct for 783 divided by 4. Let's do another one. Picture again. So again, let's pick, let's do 16, and let's divide it by 3. So I'm going to have my box. Okay, I'll have my 3. I know, and I'll have my 816 in the first one. So 3 times 2 is 6. So if I wanted 200, I would get 600. So I'm going to put my 200 up here. I could say 3 times 200 is 600. And I subtract it, and I have 216. And then I'm going to go next. I'm going to put my 216 up here. I know if I look at the first two, it's 21. I know that 7 times 3 is 21, so 70 times 3 would be 210. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to put my 70 up here, and now I would only have 6 left. And then I would look at 3 goes into 6 2 times. I'm going to put my 2 up here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my 6, which is going to be a 0. So I have no remainder. So if I add my partials up, I have 272 is my quotient, my answer. Remainder is 0. To double check this, I would say 272 times 3. So 6. 3 times 70 is 210. 3 times 200 is 600. And then add it up. Oh, that's special. I'm going to move this bar. Oh my. All right, I'm not going to move the bar. So we're going to do 6, 1, and 8. So 816. So I would know that quotient is correct. So 816 divided by 3 is 272. That's the area model.